Prophet Musa and Khidr, peace be upon them. A journey of wisdom and patience. Once upon a time, there was a great prophet named Musa or Moses, peace be upon him. One day, Prophet Musa alayhi salam was teaching Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's laws to his people. One of the Bani Israel asked him, "Is Musa alayhi salam the most knowledgeable person on this earth?" Musa, peace be upon him, thought that he was. But then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala informed him that no man could have all the knowledge in the world. One man named Khidr, peace be upon him, had some knowledge that Musa, peace be upon him, did not. Musa alayhi salam was interested to meet him. So the next day, he started his journey with a young boy named Prophet Yusha, peace be upon him. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told him to take a fish with him, and wherever he would lose the fish, that was the place where he would find Khidr, peace be upon him. After traveling for a long time, they reached a place where two rivers met, decided to rest there. Instantly, Musa, peace be upon him, fell asleep. The young prophet Yusha, peace be upon him, saw the fish skip into the water and swim away. He waited for Musa alayhi salam to wake up to inform him about the fish. But when he awoke, Yusha alayhi salam forgot to tell him. So they continued their journey for a long time. When they became hungry, Musa, peace be upon him, asked for the fish. Yusha alayhi salam immediately informed him about how the fish jumped into the river. So they went back to the place and found Khidr, peace be upon him, lying there, covered with a garment. When Musa alayhi salam met Khidr, peace be upon him, he politely asked if he could join him and learn from his wisdom. Khidr, peace be upon him, agreed, but said that Musa alayhi salam had to be patient and not question what he did until he explained why he did it. Musa, peace be upon him, said that he would keep his patience and not disturb him. So both of them started to walk along the shore and got into a boat. They saw a bird drinking water from the sea. Khidr, peace be upon him, compared Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's knowledge to the seawater, and our knowledge as little as the bird drinking from that sea. Suddenly, he made a hole in their boat. Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, could not keep his patience and got angry with Khidr, peace be upon him, and asked if he was trying to drown the people. Khidr alayhi salam reminded him to be patient, and Musa, peace be upon him, became very sorry. Then they started to walk and saw a boy playing. Suddenly, Khidr, peace be upon him, held the boy and killed him. Seeing that horrible thing, Musa, peace be upon him, again lost his patience and got angry at Khidr, peace be upon him, for his action. Khidr alayhi salam again reminded him that he said that he'd be patient, and Musa, peace be upon him, again became sorry. He also requested Khidr alayhi salam to give him one last chance. They again started their walk to a village and asked for some food from the villagers, but they refused. They were very bad people. Then they saw an old wall, which looked like it was going to break. So Khidr, peace be upon him, started to fix that wall for free. Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, again lost his patience and asked why he was doing free work for bad people who did not even give them any food. Khidr, peace be upon him, told Prophet Musa alayhi salam that was the end of their journey together, since he could not be patient. He then explained why he did all the things that he did that confused Musa, peace be upon him. First, he explained that he made a hole in the boat because there was an evil king who would collect all the good boats. So, by making a small hole, he saved the boat so the poor owners could keep it. Second, Khidr, peace be upon him, took the life of the young boy based on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's guidance, because Allah knew that the boy would grow up to be very bad and ungrateful to his parents. So Allah decided to replace him and give the good righteous parents a good child who would grow up and help society. Lastly, he fixed the wall for free because the owners of the wall were two kids. They did not have a father or mother, but they were very good religious people. Under that wall, the parents hid some treasures for the kids. And if that wall broke, they would not be able to stop the bad people from taking away their treasures. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala decided to protect their treasures until they grew up. Musa, peace be upon him, was surprised and understood that everything that Khidr, peace be upon him, did was guided by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's wisdom and knowledge. This story was from the Holy Quran. Surah Kahf, verses 65 to 82, helps us realize the importance of trusting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's plan, even if we do not fully understand why certain things happen. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the best of planners and does everything for a reason. This story also reminds us to be patient and trust Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's perfect plan. This was the end of our story for today. Make sure to give this video a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel so you and many more people can get Islamic reminders so that we can become better Muslims and please our Lord, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And until next time, Assalamu alaikum.
Join us in this great dawah work and get countless of rewards during the month of Ramadan by giving a one-time donation or becoming a monthly supporter, and inshallah, Allah will give you the highest reward to you and your family in this world and the hereafter. Jazakallah, and we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that all of you are safe during this time. And until next time, Assalamu alaikum.